Today we're going to fill and fold phyllo pastry to make beautiful, easy spanakopita. There's absolutely no shame in buying phyllo pastry. It's very, very laborious to make. We're going to layer 2 sheets of phyllo, and we're going to do that by brushing the first with melted butter. And we're going to place a second sheet directly on top of that. Then we're gonna just put another layer of butter. I'm just gonna cut it into half, and then half again. So that's 1 sheet into 4 long rectangles. For my filling today, I've got spinach with garlic and onion and crumbled feta. About a tablespoon on the end of each strip of phyllo. We're gonna start by folding it perpendicular, creating a lovely triangle. If it tears, don't worry, because of so many folds by the end of it, it won't matter. The way we fold this, it actually just ensures that that filling doesn't come out. Keep folding it just like you do a flag. And once you get to the end, you can trim it off. The last thing to do before we put them in the oven is to just kiss the top with melted butter. The melted butter just helps the pastry to go lovely golden brown and flaky. So there you have delicious golden brown spanakopita. Last thing to do, very good. Flag fold your phyllo for a perfect spanakopita.